Another website, another day, another video that's gonna help you to get free traffic. Right? Stay tuned to find out more how you can utilize this platform to drive free traffic to your website, your offers, or anything that is online. You can drive traffic to for free. Make sure that you subscribe if you are new to our YouTube channel. Like this video, let us know what you think in the comment section. This is Traffic World, the world of traffic, where we share free information about how you can get traffic. A lot of videos that are going to help you to get free traffic and get started. Whether you are a blogger or you are promoting something online, affiliate marketer, you have a website, at the end of the day, you need traffic. That's a fact. Does not matter where you come from. If you're online, we all need traffic. And this website here is gonna help you to get free traffic to your website. As you can see, it says free business advertising site, so you can advertise for free here. And how cool is that? Advertise for free. So this is one of the platforms where you can advertise for free. I'm gonna repeat that. This is one of the platforms where you can advertise for free. Yes, you heard that. Free business advertising platform. You don't get a lot of free advertising platforms out there. Facebook, you need to pay to advertise. Google, you need to pay to advertise. Twitter, you need to pay to advertise. But this one here, you can start advertising for free today. The name of the platform is FM Classified. You want to make sure that you go to fmclassifieds.com. I'm going to repeat, fmclassifieds.com. I'm going to drop the link in the description to help you get started. Make sure that you visit that link, register today for free, and post a free ad, right? Post a free ad starting from today, right? A good thing about this platform here, as you can see here, it's got location. It means that when you're posting a post, right, you can decide if you want to post this to US people, UK people, Canada people, Africa people, New Zealand. That's a cool thing about this. Once you've signed in, as you can see here, I'm already signed in here, and I see here they've got freebies, but I'm not gonna check that. I've never really check the freebies. When I'm on this platform, I just want to post something so that I can get free traffic, and I've been getting a lot of traffic. I mean, this platform here, it gets a lot of visitors every day, and as you can see here, it is monetized. It means Google, it's got partnership with AdSense, and we know that AdSense partners with websites that gets traffic. So this platform, it gets a lot of traffic from all around the world, a lot of traffic every day. So you want to make sure that you get those people that are visiting this website to see your free ad, right? First thing first, make sure that you sign up for free. Let's read this first. This is important. I know people don't like to read, but reading is important because it is information. And if you go about doing anything with information, that you're powerful. Let's see. It says free ads, absolutely free to post, costing you nothing. Keep this in your mind. You're gonna pay $0. However, you will need to repost. This is cool. It means that if you post this for this week, you can repost next week, repost next month, and you can do this frequently, right? It means that you can do this forever. It is free forever. I think they could have just said free forever. They just didn't want to simplify this, right? Repost them frequently to bring them to the top. Wow. So when you repost this, you bring them to the top, even when you are doing this for free. This is cool. Or search listings in order to enhance your viewings. To post a free ad, just click on the post an ad. Post a free ad button on our website and follow the simple instructions. No payment will be required. I know you're excited because you don't want to pay. Alright, cool. Right, to get started, make sure that you click here on post a free ad. Make sure first that you are signed in. You see mine says my account. If I was not signed in, it's just gonna say login register somewhere around. Post a free ad. As you can see here on free ad form, you have an option to target country, ad category. This is nice. This is one of the coolest. I mean, I respect this platform. If you can get your ad get targeted to categories. If maybe you are selling a motorbike, you are selling a vehicle, you can filter here, and this is for free. Can I just say thank you, FM classified people? This is something that maybe you guys, you don't realize that such options, you find them on Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and you have to pay. This platform, they are giving this to you for free, right? I mean, it's only few of these platforms that get to give you such privilege to try them out, right? Ad stays, subcategory, location, price. If you are selling something, zip code, this is gonna even get you targeted traffic, which is cool, right? At the website GM and add your message. You can even upload a picture. How cool is that? Now, after you've done all of that and you're happy with your ad, make sure that you click here on read, right? Don't click only. I know, guys, we don't like to read. At least read. I mean, if you can be the first page is read, right? Read. After you read, click here, and obviously this website is not for bots, it's for real people. I want to make sure that you are real, so make sure that you click here and submit. And after you submitted, then you are good to go. Your post is gonna be seen by real people. It means that you're gonna be getting real traffic, free traffic to your business, to your website. Actually, this platform is used by businesses a lot. That's why they say here free business advertising. So it's used by businesses a lot. Imagine business owners, business professionals visiting your website. How cool is that? I mean, if you are selling, business people will know that they have money. I mean, you do the calculation. 1 + 1. That's equals the sale, right? Alright, cool, guys. Make sure that you go sign up today by going to fmclassified.com. Use the link in my description to get started today now. I'll see you in the next video. Keep safe. Bye.